Since the beginning of this year, with the introduction of gathering and movement restrictions totally transforming the trends and landscape of video consumption, I've had to expand my capabilities, put together entire setups, and optimize efficiency for live webinars and live streams that are quick to put up, mobile, and can be set up in any corner of an office or even in a home environment. And to date, from the beginning of the year until now, I've hosted at least 5 multi-camera live webinars, multiple interactive workshops, a whole multi-platform interactive online theatre play that is first of its kind in Singapore, and also even media launch and preview sessions that's done totally online. The total number of participants that I've hosted so far number in the thousands, coming from 20 over countries in the world, including US, UK, Dubai, to name a few. And so today, I'm going to give away everything that I have learned so far. I'm going to show you how to put together a professional multi-camera live webinar, multi-speaker live conference in record time. First, you're going to need a laptop or a desktop, preferably one suited for gaming that isn't more than 2 years old. A stable internet connection is everything when going live, so plug in a LAN cable that runs directly to your internet router. Connect your audio mixer with multiple input channels and individual faders for audio control over different speakers, music, media sources. Connect your video mixer for switching between multiple cameras, different transitions between camera angles, even picture-in-picture for presenting material while keeping your presenter on. Bring on adequate lighting for your key subjects, and soft lighting for filling the room. It all comes together in Open Broadcaster Studio, where you can build your webinar, conference, live stream experience however you like, with overlays, graphics, media sources, video inputs, and push the entire experience either through direct streaming or via the virtual cam plugin for platforms like Zoom. And that was a record time setup for a multi-camera, multi-speaker, live webinar, live stream experience that need only one person to set up, man, and take on the go. More awesome content awaits. Remember, be a superhero. I'll see you next week.